Good morning, Cynthia. I'm looking at your background there because that is pretty much the casitas at Helping and Healing Home. Am I right?
You are right. Yes, those are the guest casitas at Help and Healing Home. We have 4 of them, correct?
Wow. Okay, what is this place? Because it's very interesting.
Yeah, it's the best way to describe Help in Healing Home is it is niche lodging for cancer and transplant patients. So we have so much medical tourism that comes to Arizona, and then of course folks in Arizona themselves. You don't necessarily want to stay at home during this time, and doctors often prefer that you stay close, very close to a medical facility. So here we are right on Mayo's hospital campus at 56th Street and Mayo Boulevard.
Wow, that is such a great place and a great way for people not having to go stay at a hotel, because that's the
Yes.
difference between, of course, the Help and Healing location and a hotel is that you're right there for them.
We are right there, literally. Whether your medical team is at Mayo or somewhere else within the valley, just the fact that you are on a medical campus, if there's an emergency, gives your medical team a lot of confidence and comfort, knowing that if it's an emergency, you literally are a 2-minute drive to the emergency room.
Yeah. Okay, how are you guys been doing with the pandemic? Because I know that's kind of hard, especially at even hospitals right now.
Yes, it is very difficult. That's a great question. When Governor Ducey closed the state back at the end of March, we also closed, although we are an essential service. We really needed to close and make sure that we were doing everything properly. What could we do to escalate what we already do, which is clean to hospital standards? So we took a number of steps, a little bit different protocols, increased our housekeeping staff to ensure that our guests who are already immune compromised because of cancer and transplant surgery are safe. And the same with our staff. We go through the same protocols for our admin office as we do for our guest casitas.
That's well. Okay, how long can someone stay here?
The average stay, Brad, is 4 to 6 weeks. But we see that's typically for a transplant patient. We see some of our cancer patients stay with us 12 months, maybe even a bit longer. It depends on what their treatments are. And that's determined strictly, their length of stay is determined strictly by their medical team. We don't have a must check out date. So it's all driven by the patient's medical team.
Yeah, I know we were talking that you're kind of tucked away, which is also very nice for people in recovering. Even if they live here in Phoenix or the surrounding areas, it's nice to go to a place that's quiet, right there near the hospital, and easy access for families to. Can families come visit you while you're there?
Absolutely. Within the guest casitas, it is only the guest, the patient, and their one caregiver, whom is typically going to be a family member. But other family and friends can come visit them in our community center, which is right here. You're kind of seeing the same general area here. We're very tightly built in that regard. And family and friends are always welcome to visit their friends and family in the community center located right here. So it's very easy for the guests to have family and friends visit them.
Wow, that is great. Okay, Cynthia, how can people find out more?
People can find out more by visiting us at helpinhealinghome.org. That is our website. We're also always happy to take your phone call at 480-609-1324. But our website is very comprehensive. I think it'll answer your questions as far as who can stay, all the details of actually going through a casita, what that looks like, and giving you some comfort. Our guest services people are perfect as far as answering your questions and helping you feel comfortable about staying with us.
Oh, that's great. Well, Cynthia, thank you very much for joining us here on the Arizona Daily Mix.
Thank you, Brad. So appreciate it. Take care.